If you're watching this video, it's either at the end of how to put your album out on an LP video, or it is the standalone video where I'm just going to talk about this record right now. Before you go anywhere, wait! Not once in any of my videos have I ever asked you to subscribe, like, share. I never talk about my Patreon. I never have any affiliate links. None of that crap. At the end of the day, the reason I started making these home recording videos was for two reasons. One, just to have that home recording community and to talk about this stuff. I think it's interesting. And two, was in preparation to put this record out for you to buy. I was trying to create an audience. That's what this was all about. And now we're finally here, and I implore you, please, you know how much this means to me? I'm not lying. Like, I'm being serious now. I was emotional getting this on record. This was a big deal for me. That's why I'm wearing a three-piece suit right now. This was a big deal for me, and this was many, many years in the making, and I'm really proud of this end product, and I truly do want to sell these records to you guys. It means a lot to me. It means more than comments or subscribers or anything could ever mean. At the end of the day, it all comes down to my record, and if you're a subscriber to this channel, you might be a fan of my music, and please support me. This is the best way to support me. These are for sale right now. At this moment, if you're watching this as I publish it, it's not on Bandcamp yet. I please would much prefer for you to email me and for us to do business off of Bandcamp, because I don't have to pay them a vendor fee. And I much prefer that. It's much more personal. We'll be able to talk to one another. It's much easier that way. Okay, so I'm going to put some just directions in the comments to show you how to buy the record. And anyway, look for that video coming up. That is also in this video. It's a little bit of a loop. Okay, all right. Good night, guys. Thank you.